Hi there, welcome to Code Canvas, your go to destination for web development. Whether you are just starting your journey or looking to level up your skills, you are in the right place. I will guide you through the building blocks of the web with tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, WordPress, and many more. Each designed to make complex topics simple and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Let's code the web together. In this video, we are going to discuss two CSS properties, hyphens and hyphenate limit characters. The reason behind why I am discussing these two properties in single video is most of the times these properties are used together in single class most of the times. Okay, so hyphens CSS property controls hyphenation of text in block level elements, and hyphenate limit characters tells the browser how many characters a word should be hyphened or before it's hyphened, as well as the minimum number of characters before and after the hyphen. Okay, so let's go and try to create simple example. So there are multiple values possible. Before that, you can always prevent hyphenation from happening at all. You can allow it, or you can only allow it when certain characters are present, and this property is language sensitive. Okay, so there are multiple values possible with hyphens, none, manual, auto, and all. All value is deprecated, so we should not use that. But none, manual, and auto are possible values. So let's go and create a simple HTML. In this paragraph, after this paragraph, let's add one div with some class. Let's say add hyphen and paragraph here. Okay, let's add some content, demo content. In this paragraph, let me add some more content. Okay, now we have these three lines here. Okay, so let's go in CSS. Here in CSS, what we can do, we can simply add some CSS, and to do so, let's first of all add some font size 24 pixel, so it will be properly readable. Okay, now as you can see, we have this text here, right? And in HTML, this is here. Yeah, so what we can do, taste, taste, taste. Okay, and this is single word, and because there is no space or hyphen here, this value or this text is now on this third line, right? We have some space here, but still it is on third line. All right, so what we can do here, in this hyphen CSS in class, simply we can use hyphens auto and see how it is applying here. Let's go and try to inspect here. So now if you inspect here, you can see here now with this class, let me inspect. So hyphen, yeah, what we can do, instead of hyphen we can give hyphen space paragraph. That will apply this class here, font size 24 pixel and hyphens auto, right? So now let's see. Yeah, so as you can see, this is one word. Okay, so to understand how exactly this is working, what we can do, instead of this class or this text, let's add some real text here. Okay, so copy, copy, copy again. Now we have these lines. Okay, now you can see these hyphens is a single word, but there is no space to cover this single word, and that's why this hyphen is here, just because we have added this hyphens property to auto. If we change it to none, it will remove this hyphen and move this particular word to the next line, right? So this is how this hyphens auto property works. To make sure that it works in other browsers as well, what we have to do, we have to add webkit space hyphens to auto. Similarly, you also have to add ms hyphens and auto. Okay, so this is how hyphen css property works. Let's go and check this css property, how browser support it is having. So now it is supported by latest Chrome browser and Edge browser as well. So it is supporting almost all the latest browsers. So you can use it, right? Okay. Let's go to second CSS property, hyphenate limit characters. This property tells the browser how many characters a word should be before it's hyphenated, right? So how you can use that? So to make sure that you are using it this properly property in proper way, you have to add this property hyphenated limit characters and make that value to some numbers, right? So let's see how it is working. Right now this hyphenated limit characters is 10 3 4, and you might have observed the change in this word. So to show the proper value, you can see now when I'm changing the value to 10 or something less than 10, it is changing the place of this hyphen character. And let's make it 10 first, and let's change it to something else. So if you make it 0, it is defining the start, or you can say where this hyphen should start. 0 is not the proper value. When this property should start, I mean that hyphen should start. So this property tells the browser how many characters a word should be before is hyphenated, as well as the minimum number of characters before and after the hyphen. Okay, and you can change the value here. As you can see, when I'm making it 4, this a character is there, and if I am making is 5, then a character is moving into next line, right? And let's talk about its browser support. It is supporting Chrome now, Edge, but it is not supporting Safari and Firefox. So whenever you are using this property, you need to make sure that you have proper browser support. All right, that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more web development tips and tricks. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Keep coding, and I will see you in the next video.